this, but this dev blog reading for the VRChat developer update is September 25th, 2025. Welcome to Developer Update for September 25th. Today's featured world is Steps of Time by Harim. Announcements. Spooktality is back. That's right. Spookality is back again. Spookality is our annual celebration of the dark, spooky, and I can't read it. It's completely black. This year, creators can submit avatars and worlds between September 22nd and October 13th. We will announce the winners and post world and avatar rows on October 22nd. Both avatars and worlds will be judged, and the winners will receive rewards. You can read more about it here, hyperlink. We updated our community guidelines, and then Grandma forwarded me a screenshot of a screenshot of a screenshot of someone taking it totally out of context. Yesterday, we posted a clarified version of our community guidelines, along with a blog post reaffirming our commitment to protecting the VRChat experience for everyone. None of our rules changed. Instead, we're trying to clarify and organize our rules better so that they align with how we enforce them. This is a foundational step towards improving our reporting flow and improving VRChat for everyone. If you want the real deal, read the blog. We're the first-party source, after all. After we launched these changes, a few posts made it into the wild and spread very fast. These posts made statements like VRChat is banning avatar uploaders, or private events are required to use age verification. These statements are incorrect. Let's clear it up. The terms of service have not changed. We changed the community guidelines. The guidelines provide human-readable, non-legal lease version of our rules that align with how we enforce our rules. We are not banning people for sharing passwords. We know lots of people upload avatars for their friends or on commission. It isn't a great solution to share your password, but we 100% hear you. Until a better solution exists, you're going to keep doing it. With that said, you really should not share your password or put it into third-party tools or sites. It's the number one way accounts get stolen. Provocative is a defined term. Some users were worried about the usage of provocative in the community guidelines. We define it as clearly as we can. Adult content or behavior, controversial topics, sensitive, intimate, or provocative content or activities. We must be somewhat vague here, because this type of content is very context dependent and subjective. If you start trying to define hard lines for it, you end up writing a 50-page article and drawing lines on plastic dolls. In the famous words of a past US judge, I'll know it when I see it. Either way, what we're asking here is the same as what we asked in the previous version of our guidelines. Keep private things private. If you have avatars or do things that someone might consider sensitive, intimate, or provocative, keep it in a private space with people on consent and can consent, asterisks, to seeing or participating in it. The important bit here is that minors can never consent. It's on you to ensure that nobody around you in these situations is a minor. This has always been the case, but we're being crystal clear now. And you have the tool, age verification, to fix this problem entirely. We are not requiring that you use age verification to ensure you're in compliance, but it does make it very easy and effective. Wait, so the Discord screenshot written by that rando that someone forwarded me was wrong. Yep. So, one last time, none of our rules have changed, and our enforcement has not changed. We've simply laid things out more clearly, so we all know where to stand. Discord linking, login, and account creation. Soon you'll have the ability to link your Discord and VRChat accounts together, giving you a new option to log in on all of our existing platforms. This also gives brand new users the ability to create an account by simply signing up with an existing Discord account. How does it work? Link your Discord. You'll have the option to link your Discord on all of our existing platforms: PC, standalone, the VRChat website, and mobile, using a new button in the settings on each page. Platform accounts, Steam, and Meta will need to upgrade to a full VRChat account before they can link their Discord. We've made this a part of the linking flow, so it should be pretty painless. When you click on the link to your Discord button, you'll get an email from VRChat at the email address associated with your VRChat account to complete the process anytime on your platform of choice. You will be directed to Discord to continue the account link, then you are done. Account creation with Discord. That's probably not for you if you're reading the dev update, but it's worth mentioning. If you don't already have a VRChat account, and click on the Login with Discord button on the login page, you'll sign in using your existing Discord account. We check to make sure that there's no existing VRChat accounts that match your Discord email address, and if there is, you'll be prompted to link instead. Log in with Discord. Once your VRChat and Discord accounts are linked, you'll be able to use the new Login with Discord button on the login screen. This should help you get into VRChat a lot faster if you've already signed into Discord on that device. Unlink your Discord account. You can unlink your Discord account at any time inside of Discord or through the VRChat website. Some additional notes. A VRChat account can only have one linked Discord account, and vice versa. Have a few different email addresses. You can mix and match email addresses if you link them through the button in client, on web, or on mobile. For example, your VRChat account and Discord account can be linked even if they have a different email address associated with them. If you click on the Login with Discord button, on the login page, we'll attempt to find an existing VRChat account that matches the one provided by Discord. You will have the option to link the two accounts together if there's a match. You will be asked to re-authenticate your VRChat sign if you try to link through the login page for security reasons. Help us do research on you. We are partnering with user testing to give our community another easier way to share feedback on early ideas, design concepts, and user experience prototypes. What to expect. You may receive an email invitation to complete a short survey or unmoderated test hosting on user testing. Typical commitment time 15 to 20 minutes. Many studies include compensation for your time and insight as a thank you. Legitimacy and safety. Invitations will come from VRChat. Example, an email ending at vrchat.com and or user testing on our behalf. These invitations are legitimate and part of our official research program. We will always include consent information before you begin. Never share passwords or sensitive information, personal information during a study. Who can participate? We are currently running studies in English. Some invitation targets specific users or devices. If you do not qualify for one study, you may qualify for future ones. How your feedback is being used. Your responses help us improve VRChat features and experiences. We may collect screen and audio recordings during a task to understand usability. Any data is handled according to our privacy and consent guidelines. Questions need help. If you are unsure whether an invitation is from us or you have any questions, contact ur@vrchat.com or directly reply to the invite. Thank you. The user research team. A status update on Fizbone's contacts and VRChat constraints and worlds. A few developer updates ago, we revealed our plans to bring Fizbone's contacts and VRChat constraints to the world's SDK. Around a week ago, or 2 weeks ago given when I'm reading this now, we've been running a closed community beta for this feature, giving us first round of feedback from the community and helping us move it towards a full release. We are currently addressing some feedback around the usability and functions as well as working through the suggested features. In the meantime, our closed beta testers have been busy building the first few test worlds using these components. thank you. Here's a clip of a few contact tests. Clarification on VRChat image hot linking. In September 19th, 2024 dev update, we announced that hot linking to images hosted on VRChat servers would no longer be permitted. After that announcement, we rolled out a change on our web application firewall to block hot linking images. That change, however, was rolled back. We rolled this back to accommodate application developers who need more time to change their applications and infrastructure. As the time has passed, we're now once again moving forward. The change will prevent hot linking. In future server-side changes, VRChat's API will be referencing image URLs based on short-lived signed URLs rather than API1 image and API1 file URLs that we've used so far. We are therefore still asking users to change the way they serve images by proxying and caching them on their own infrastructure instead. Conclusion. That's it for this developer update. Check back on October 9th for the next one.